Traders, I'm going to run through trading the Asian Open with our TradingView indicators. So what we got here is the Aussie Yen 5-minute chart. This line is the Asia Open, Tokyo, 1900 New York time. This shaded zone is the Asia kill zone, the ICT kill zone. We're looking for the opportunity into the Asia Open and within this time frame through here. Running with the strategy, we are following the trend. It's bullish. This bar is telling us that the 4-hour and the daily have a strong bullish momentum. This indicator down here is telling us that the 1-hour and the 2-hour, the first two green bars, are bullish. So on a 5-minute chart, given that this is strong and we have a 1H and 2H in our favor, we want to take this trade. And the other thing that you notice here is look at the trajectory. This is the mean, this line, 45-degree angle. This is the perfect scenario to take a trade. Everything stacks up. So it's a fairly high probability trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the pullback. The breakout occurred here. The previous swing low was here. Swing high here. From this swing low to swing high, and you can recognize a swing low by identifying the candle formation, and I'll show you what that looks like. This area down in here, we have a swing low. There's your swing low point, higher high to the left, higher low I should say, and higher low to the right. Swing point, this is another swing. I'm not looking at fractals, I'm looking at these swings with a candle on either side giving us the swing point. So we're going to pull our Fibonacci from low to high, and we're looking for the retrace back into our key Fibonacci zone. Grab the Fibonacci, pull it from the low to the high, and your entry point from the 50 to the 618 is a perfect entry. You're looking for a discount. Given that this is bullish, the discount is 50% or under this price swing or less. Now you want to get in at a discount. This is why we use the Fibonacci to find our points. Now if it's a shallow pullback and it trades off, yeah, well, we can let it go. So we're looking for the green signal, given that everything under here is green. So we're going to go with this green signal. We place our buy. We go 1 to 2 risk reward. Stop loss under the swing low. And there's a trade. Now we'll go through these pairs. We're looking at the Asian session. So I'm interested in the Aussie Yen, the Aussie Kiwi mainly. I mean, that's pretty much it. We've got these Kiwi pairs. Okay, the Kiwi Yen would be another one. And that's it. Okay, so it's the Asian session. Before we have a look at these others, got to give the sponsor of the video a bit of a plug. And the sponsor is tradingwithanthony.com. Use our indicators, learn our strategy, and trade this for the next month, 100% free. You get access to everything. Our VIP signals, TradingView indicators, and our trading tutorials. 0 cost. I invite you to do the math. Give yourself 30 days and develop your trading plan. Use the signals, our strategy, with the aim of becoming an independent, profitable trader. That's that. Now let's just have a look at the other one. That was the, we got the Aussie Yen, the Aussie Kiwi, messy. And then the Asian session, we're looking at the Kiwi, the New Zealand Yen. So have a look at that. That's a nice clean chart. That's the sort of price action that I much prefer. The Asia, we didn't get a signal into the Asian Open. The signal was way back down in here. But I mean, and look at the signal and look at the trade. Again, you know, like when you see a breakout like that and you see the trend heading in this direction, take it. Look for the pullback and grab the opportunity. Where are the swings? Well, we've got that swing. Well, that was a swing. We've got this swing. So we're looking for the fib retrace 50%, and I'd say pretty well all of these would give you a 50% retrace and a good entry point. Now that's early. However, again, look at the trajectory. So take the opportunity on a fresh breakout when you see it starting to trend like that. All I can say to you would be go back test it. Oh, and why are we bullish? Well, I mean, Look at these two. Very strong bullish trend, Kiwi yen. Backtest the strategy, guys, and take up the 30-day trial and work this on a demo account relentlessly. Perfect your strategy, and this could be life-changing for you. All right, guys, I'll wrap it up. So that's the Asian session today. Nothing really jumped out apart from the Aussie yen. I'm always going to be looking at the Aussie yen through the Asian Open, and that was our trade. Breakout, retrace, and we're off to the races. Okay, guys, tradingwithanthony.com/forex signals. Try it out for the next month. See how you go. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.